Hurry, open the door! What? Don't watch YouTube. I can't wait much longer. No, I'm sending you a message to bring me toilet paper. Okay, let me find that message. Stop! I need toilet paper quickly. Okay. Here's my new friend. Thank you. Now it's my turn. What? How am I going to use the toilet? We will show you how to make this funny pop-up card. It's super fun and easy. Sammy's hungry. Let's give him some cornflakes. Whoa, he almost ate my finger. Be careful. Hey, let's play a game with him. Yeah, it's PacMan. He can eat lots and lots of Pac-Dots. Look, Oren, Randy, and Sky are chasing him. Do you want to help Sammy escape? Let's give him a power pellet. Now he can chase them back. We'll show you how to make this hungry Sammy heavy. It's super fun and easy. It's getting hot. Do you want to swim with Bailey? I want to! He is having a great time at the pool. Let's put a few drops of paint in here and see what happens. It's like mixing ketchup and mustard together and it looks gross. Quickly clean up, Bailey, and play again. Oh no, it's the paint again. Wait a minute, what are these? This is potato and this is tomato. Oh my god, this is potato soup and I am cooked. We will show you how to make this swimming baby. It's super fun and easy. Oh, I haven't finished my book. Use these Sprunki grapes as a bookmark. This is so cute. I love it. What else can we do with these clips? I have an idea. We can use it to hang the clothes. That's boring. Look, this is how I use these clips. And then quickly remove all the clips. That hurts. Now let us show you how to make these Sprunki paper clips. It's super easy. Check out these Sprunki grapes. Are they gonna be juicy? Let's find out. Squeeze! Randy's not, but Mr. Sun is very juicy. What if we squish them all together? Oh, don't give me those looks. See you later. Oh, this isn't just grape juice, it's rainbow juice. With eyeballs inside. That's funny. We'll show you how to make these juicy Sprunki grapes. It's super fun and easy. Let's help Joey climb down the wall. Whoa, Joey's almost slipped. Yay, he's safely down. Now it's the Sprunki's turn. Oh wait, they don't have hands. How could they climb? Simon has a good idea. Let's combine. Now the Sprunkies can climb down the wall easily. Uh-oh, fell out and they tumbled onto Zoe. We'll show you how to make this paper game. It's super fun and easy. Do you want to hula hoop with Bailey? Yes, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 499, 500. Wait a minute. Why is Squid got here? Oh no, not the Squid game again. Don't worry, Bailey. We are much stronger now because of the hula hoop challenge. Let me show you. Yay! And look what I can do. I'm super strong. Let's make this hula hoop sprunky together. It's super fun and easy. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win. This is so cool. How did you make it? Let me tell you a little secret. Ready? Fusion! I don't want to be a pair of chopsticks. Let's try again. Hey, not again. Fusion! Yes, we made it. We will show you how to make this with paper. It's super fun and easy. Do you want to know how to make this squishy sprunky burger? First the meat, a whack lettuce, Simon the cheese, Mr. Sunny side up, and then put orange the bun on top. Is this how Daddy makes all these ingredients, Jake? No, Daddy will show us how to make it with everyday stuff. Sprunky tumbler toys. But where is Sky and Randy? Oh, I found Sky and he is under the table. Have you seen Randy? Oh, here's Randy. He can't stop rolling. Let's help him. We will show you how to make this tumbling toy.